Welcome to BrenCreates. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button down below. Now let's get into the video.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be repotting a plant for the first time. I've never done this before, so we're going to see how this goes. I bought a Jade plant from Walmart, and this is one of those plants that, well, when I first saw it, I thought it was a rose plant, but it's one of those plants that is very beginner friendly, so it doesn't need a whole lot of maintenance. And it's one of those plants that actually thrives off of being left alone. So, like I said, yeah, very beginner friendly. I got it from Walmart. It was like $3.47. Also bought this. Also, when I was in Walmart, I bought. Turns double. I bought this pot. This pot. For the Jade plant, but I didn't realize when I bought it that it was too small for this plant. But beautiful pot. I also got this from Walmart. I think it was $2.50. But this is more so for one of those what you call them? The comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Like the little teeny plants that you see people plant a lot. I think I might go back maybe to Lowe's or something and see if I could find one of those plants and maybe pot it in here. Do a video on that, I don't know. And then I also bought this really nice ceramic pot from Big Lots that was super affordable. I think it was like $8. They have some really nice indoor outdoor pots. I was thoroughly surprised, impressed with that. But yeah, some pots that, you know, if I would have saw someplace that may have been a little bit more expensive or at Lowe's, this to, you know, very similar style, but really a lot less money wise. So I have the pot here. I also have the potting soil, which is just the indoor outdoor potting soil for plants. And then I have a little scooper. I also have some scissors and shears to cut some of the roots off, just so that it kind of helps the plant to grow. Same thing, you know, with your hair, you know, with your hair, people say that helps your hair to grow faster. So to kind of just to get the plant kind of going, I'm gonna cut just a little bit of roots off the end of it. But first I'm gonna go ahead and put some soil on the bottom of this. So I'm trying to fill it up most of the way. And then what I'll do is create a little well in the bottom, in the middle of it, so that I can set the plant in. And one more scoop. Good on that. Alright, so now I think I got that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just make like a little well with my fingers in the middle. And then I'll put this inside. I already took the soil that was around this off, and I try to dust off as much as I can, just so that I just have the roots left. And then I'm gonna trim just a little bit of these roots. Not a whole lot, just enough to get them going. And then I'll just set it in the inside. And then a little hole I have and then cover it up with the dirt that I put inside. Like that. And it's so funny because I've never really, I've always known, because growing up I've always known about planting crops because my grandparents and my dad's side and my father were farmers, so I always knew about, you know, planting crops and stuff, and that's pretty much what I mostly gravitate towards. But also both of my grandmothers were really, they just loved to plant plants, have house plants. They always had a lot of house plants. And to think of it, that is probably why my grandmother didn't have a lot of dust in her home. Because my grandmother she used to clean a whole lot, but she used to have a lot of house plants. And I know that that's one of the things that having plants in your home can really help to keep down your dust level. And so, that just clicked to me about that. But yeah, but it's also something that I feel that it's very therapeutic to plant. It's a nice stress reliever, I feel. So comment down below if you have house plants or you love house plants, and any kind of tips you might have on certain plants that are really good to beginner friendly, or just comment those down below. But yeah, I think we're good. I might add a little bit more just to kind of make sure that we're good. I also bought a purple African violet, and I'm also going to do another video on that as well. But I thought this would be fun, and just to kind of give you an idea of, you know, something that you can do, you know, that might be a good stress reliever, or just something to, you know. I think I'm finished, everyone. Looks potted really nice. I think we're good to go. What you think? Well, I thank you again so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for my subscribers that have subscribed. And if you watch this video and you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Click that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload from me. But thank you so much for your support. And I will see you again in the next video.